go. Don't you to go. Don't you to go. Don't you to go. Don't you to go. Don't you go. Don't you go.
Hello. Hi there. Yeah, is that Jerome Powell? Hi, Jerome. Yeah, listen, I'm going to need you to give me a pullback, please. Yeah, right now. Thank you. Now, I'm about to start stream, so just, if you could just pull it back to the previous high, that'd be sick. Thank you, Jerome. Oh, you're going to do that? Okay, good. All right, mate. Well, just make sure I can get the entry, yeah? Yeah, you will. All right. Good boy. Good boy. Thank you, Jerome. Hi guys, welcome to the TRLS Market Maker model. Shut up. Shut up. Oh, fine. Fine, I'll start the stream. If you guys really want, I'll start the stream. It's okay. Ah, chat. Chat. Why is my chair lower down? Why has this guy Tom got the chair down on pipsqueak level? So that his feet can touch the floor, eh? But you know what, chat? We're back. Congrats on 10K. Bro's late. Listen, man. Let's start the stream, why not? I think we could start the stream. I've heard about price action and all those sort of things. It's meant to be quite good. I might get into trading, chat. You know what? I might start trading because apparently it's meant to be alright. People say it's like a good way to earn money or something. I don't know. It's just what I've heard on the street. In 3, 2, $1 gazillion, chat. How we doing, man? How are we doing? What's up, chat? What's poppin'? What's good? Anil, Ja, Weelu, Mark, Danny, Weelu again, Danny again, Eugene, Tony, Weelu again, Victory Settings, Eugene, Weelu, Tony, Jay, Danny. I'm just going to say everyone's name over and over again. What's good, Mark? Sandra. Good morning, Mr. Reyes, Malinko. Cole Lee. Moses was good. Chat, am I seeing this right? Hang on, let me just... Hang on. There's no way I'm seeing 50 people in the stream and 5 likes. That can't be right. That can't be right. I'm not being funny. I must be... YouTube must be glitching or something. I don't know. Ben, that was good. Trading chat, emergency. Uh-oh. Emergency. I'm looking at this off stream because I don't trust you. Yeah, there you go. I knew it was an emergency, but Eugene, I got you, don't worry. It's gonna be, oh my days. CA Carth. Hang on. CA. Why did you put the C there after it told you it was green here? Eugene, it told you the C was here and you went, oh, you know what? Let me put it over here now instead. What's that about? Oh, okay. That gives me a lot more. CA. Something TS. Catty? It could be Catty. C-A-T-T-Y. That's the only thing I can see right now. I don't know, man. But look, chat. How are we all doing today? Gold is absolutely ripping up right now. This is interesting. I'm not going to lie. I caught this on a few top steps. But I wasn't able to catch it on anything else because I was out and about, moving and shaking. Let's log into the account. All right, cool. We'll set up the copy trader. Chat, this looks good though, I can't lie. Gold looks good today. Looks like it wants to move and shake, which is good. I think we need some more liquidity though, so that's what I'm gonna wait. It was, you know, hey, see, I'm the best. Gold is chunky. Nah, it looks like it wants to make a move here, chat. So let's do the analysis real quick. Obviously, by the way, who's still in Tom's NQ trade from earlier? Because I'm pretty sure he's still in it. A lot of you guys were chat. I saw earlier a lot of you guys were fading Tom on his stream, telling him it wasn't a good position, closing at the bottom and shit. I think Tom just took TP from this. So never fade TRLS ever again. SG, you say I hold on what? What are you in? W Tom? Yeah, honestly, W Tom on the stream position this morning. But anyway, chat. Daily, nice. 4 hour looks good, closed above most recent. 2 hour is a closing here in 16 minutes. 1 hour is interesting, chat, and then the 30-minute is also interesting. So chat, realistically, for levels, I want to see a retracement back into 42.52, right? If we can do that, I think that's going to be really, really nice, especially on the 1 hour. On the 30-minute, you have another level here as well at 42.38. And yeah, I mean, you can look further down, but I don't think that's really going to matter too much. You're at all-time high, so where are you going to target other than, I guess, the high? But remember what I say, chat, about trading all-time highs. I say this every single time. We wait for the pullback and we catch the continuation. So it's done this. It's made the high. It's made the higher high, the higher low. Now it's made a higher high here. We wait for a retracement into this previous high. Try and catch that position there. I know it did it here, but it might do it again. And then we take the continuation up, right? Break even on the high. Super easy, chat. That's what I'm going to be looking for today, right? That's what I'm going to be looking for. It's just rebroken that high again. Holy, maybe I should have held a runner. Nah, actually cap. I don't really care about that. I'll take my position as it comes. Been slowly farming these winning days on Top Step because that's the only thing I need now for the payout. Same SG, it's like one mind, oh my god. It's almost like I taught you my strategy, bro. It's almost like that. my B hit on the buys this morning, now it's flying. Hey, you're good, bro, don't worry, no FOMO. SG, I want to pay out, you'll get it, man G. 3-0 with the Londons? Yeah, chat, Tom is 3-0 with the London streams. 15-minute just closed, by the way, bullish above. Interesting, my friend. Chat, this is going to be good, man. I'm excited for this. Retracement back into here for the buys is going to be nice. Chat, I'm not chasing this shit because the stops will be huge. Almost like I attended the TRLS masterclass. Almost. Got buys on my funder to hit BE. Don't worry, man. Just make sure you're not going BE too early. But if you get hit BE and it runs without you, then you know what? Sometimes so is life. But yeah, chat, I got a nice little... It wasn't this account. I think it was this one. Little 200 on here. Little 200 on here. Can he complain, chat? I'm going to lock myself out of these. Because I just want to farm these winning days. Lockout all day. Yes, thank you. Next one. Lockout all day. Yes. I got the B on the 1 hour Wickfield. Yeah, I mean, look, that's not a bad idea to be fair, bro. It just depends on where your entry was. Cool feature. I do love that feature about Top Step. I can't lie. Yeah, I wish Apex had that. That's the one thing I think Apex could add. But then again, I don't think you can add that on Tradeovate, so maybe it's not their fault. Entries on the 1 hour flip? Yeah. Me and Danny were in the same trade, both hit, both of us BE, and now it wants to make a move. It's all good, man. It's all good. Andre, what's good? How's it going? Chat, how's everyone's week been so far? If you guys have been turning up to Tom's stream and my stream, you'll be in profit for the week. In fact, actually, I guess just Tom's stream. Tom's carrying the TRLS streams this week. What we're going to do, chat, as well is, I think we're going to get a low-key... I think we might end up having TRLS streaming all sessions. I've been speaking to a certain someone about streaming Asian. They're down in the TRLS Discord. We've got Tom for London, me for New York, obviously. And then an Asian. It's going to be crazy, chat. The value there is going to be... Woo! Is it someone we know? Yeah. I mean, he can say it if he wants. I don't know if he's going to... Nothing planned yet, but... Chat, £1 million. Who's that? I don't know, man. I don't know. We'll see. Did Tom's trade win today in Asian? Yeah. In London, yeah. 3 streams in the TRLS Academy? Nah, I'm not going to charge you guys for the... I'm only going to put my streams in private, right? The other streams, that like, I can't charge for that. So they'll be free. But chat, that being said, we've got a couple of days left until the TRLS Academy takes full effect. But that also means a couple of days till either the price goes up or the slots get closed. I haven't decided yet. So if you do want to join the TRLS Academy, make sure you join that now. We've got 50 slots total available, and there's 10 left out of the 50. I think we've already filled 40 of them. So make sure you do it. Tastes like promotion. How many trades do you usually take per day? On a vows, as many as the setups. Like if I'm sat on the charts for a long time, I'll take 3-4 trades on an avow. On a funded, normally 1. What I've been doing, Critical, what's good by the way? Do you copy trade all your accounts? Yeah, on stream trades I do. If I'm trading off stream, something that I've been testing out recently is being a lot more aggressive, but then also rotating accounts. So today's trade I took on 2 top steps. Next trade I'll be taking on 2 other top steps. If I take one on stream though, it'll be on like all accounts, because if I take a trade on stream, chat, it's like A++++++++, you know? Not that I take less, like weaker setups off stream, but also sometimes I just like to test some shit out, let shit run, see what's gonna happen. You know, man, what's good, Jar? Go heavy to pass them? Yeah, I do go heavy. Is there any trades been taken this week? Me personally, I've taken like 2 trades. They've both been off stream. So they both would be in the TRLS Academy from next week, right? Because I'll be sending my trades in. So chat, bear in mind, like sometimes I don't get the trades on stream. Join the TRLS Academy so you make sure you get all of them, right? But yeah, I've taken 2 wins this week. Is Top Step good? Yeah, it's all right. I actually prefer Alpha Futures, chat, to Top Step. I think they have 25% off right now as well, which is sick. By the way, we are getting this little retracement here, which is nice. I want to see us come and tap into the level and then see what happens. Bear in mind, we're not even into New York yet, you know? I think we might let this stream run a little bit longer today, you know? It's depending on, like, the setup, everything. We might try and let the streams run a bit longer. But chat, listen, drop a like on the stream. 70 people in here right now, only 50 likes. You guys are going to get... I was going to say something inappropriate then. Beat up. Is there actually news today? I wouldn't think so, bearing in mind the government's still shut down, which is kind of mad, by the way. Chat, I think it's fucking ridiculous that the government can't pull themselves together with their big 6-figure salaries for a couple of days. It does say... Nah, there's no news today. There's no news today. It's been a week or 2 in it? Yeah, it's been a while, man. It's actually mad, bro. Like, you got people working in fucking, like, coal mines and oil rigs and horrible fucking jobs for way less pay than these idiots in government, but they can't pull themselves together to fucking figure shit out. 2 groups of people you don't hate enough, chat. You don't hate politicians enough, and you don't hate the media enough. Those 2 you should hate with your entire fucking being. Yeah, mainstream media and politicians. Scum of the earth. But anyway, not to get political on the stream. What's good, Benat? Any recommendation how to size up in trades? I wouldn't be super aggressive off rip, right? Do you mean like during when you're in a trade? Depends on what you mean by that, bro. Talking about bugger, did we come to an agreement? Well, I don't know, bro. Nah, any updates? Well, Eugene, can you consult with Mr. West, see if he has any update on bugger, because we're struggling out here, man. Luke, isn't it a mistake? What? The government shit? I don't know. Looking jacked, bro. Have you been bulking? Nah, I've actually been cutting. Low-key, I've been cutting. Maybe that's why it's like coming through a little bit more. I've lost 6... I think I've actually lost 7 kilograms in the last couple of months. A lot of that will be water weight, right? But I've actually got relatively lean for me. I'm at one of my lowest weights that I've been in the last couple of years. W Physique, thank you, bro. 15 no top wick here, chat. Pushing down skis. Can we get that tap? How do you lose water weight? Don't eat as much salt. Go to the sauna. But I wouldn't worry about water weight, bro, to be honest. Just normally when you start a diet, right, you're eating less carbohydrates, which means the water weight goes down. Because for every gram of carbohydrates that you eat, your body stores 4 grams of water. So, like, obviously, as you cut your diet down, a lot of the time what happens is you obviously stop eating as many carbs. You should at least. And then the water goes down, you get less puffy, you get more lean. That's why people, you know when people do these crazy shitty diets where they're like, yeah, I'm only eating eggplant for the week or some shit like that. And like, or for the month. The first week they're like, yeah, I'm down 10 kg or some shit. It's like, yeah, you've just got rid of all the water in your body basically. You haven't really lost any fat. I mean, a little bit, but like, and then whenever they get off the diet, they're like, oh, I've put it back on. It's like, yeah, really? People, am I the only one who hasn't been able to find trades to print more money in? No, it's been difficult, man, recently. This is the thing, right? You'll see a load of people on social media being like, oh my God, I'm printing. Or, oh, I took this. Bro, don't stress about it. And everything will come with time, right? Everything will come with time. The setups will form. Patience, young Padawan. That 5 closure is quite nice. I mean, it actually closed doji. On my broker, I was looking at it, closed bullish, but yeah, man, we'll see. We'll see, chat. Lots of potential, man. I'm not getting a clear answer from West. This is such a difficult subject. I'm not gonna lie, Eugene. That's a bit disappointing from West, to be honest. Chat, are we gonna pull back here? Actually, how much time would you say is too much time looking at the charts? It's a very personal thing, right? It depends on your situation, your mindset. Some people could sit at the charts all day and not take anything, right, and be fine with it. Whereas some people would basically be like stressing and have to force a trade. And that would obviously end up in them taking bad positions or anything like that, right? So it comes down to you. But honestly, you don't need more than like 2 hours per session, maximum, really. You get on like half an hour to an hour before New York Open, stay an hour later, and then jump off. Most important thing is once you jump off, you can't go back onto the charts again, like unless it's another session or whatever. Because let's say you jump off, you go to the gym and you're looking on your phone, you're like, fuck, I should have taken this. Fuck, it's moving, I missed this. And you FOMO in at the gym and then you lose, and then it's just like, oh, what was I doing? So set yourself a limit, and when you do set a limit on the amount of trades you're taking or the time that you're taking trades in, if something forms after that, it's actually really good because you actually you give yourself some accountability because you can say, oh, it's out of my time zone. I wouldn't have taken it anyway. It doesn't make a difference. So the FOMO kind of disappears, right? You know what I'm saying? Oh, chat, we're ripping here, man. Apex or Alpha Futures? Oh, that's a good question, man. It depends. They both got different things, right? Apex is way better for scalability. It's way cheaper. I think I like the platform more on Alpha Futures. It's interesting, man. NQ tickling my balls. 200 USD from passing another Apex. Hey, W Keelan, what's good, bro? Faking a trick shot or hitting your girl. Chat, I've never faked a trick shot. Buy or sell? Buy. What do you think is going to happen in PPI? There's no PPI today, right? Is it soon? Tomorrow? Today? Yesterday? In between? Yeah, of course. Yeah, of course. Chat, what do you guys know about 10 million? Are you guys informed on 10 million or are you guys not? It's today, isn't it? I doubt there's any news today because of the shutdown. I mean, maybe there is, but it doesn't show on Forex Factory either, which kind of is kind of tells me that maybe not because, yeah, man. Onions or no onions on a bangers and mash? Onions, bro, definitely. Caramelized onions, 100% with bangers and mash. It's goated. Tentative? Yeah. But nah, PPI doesn't even show up here. Tommy, have you been mustering bare jerseys? Fuck's sakes. Just found out Bambi's having 2 Christmases. What a generational real pull. I'm thinking to get a 50k Apex or 50k Alpha. If you're going to get one of either, right, I would say buy 2 50k Apexes rather than 1 50k Alpha because that's the same price. Using code TRLS. And my broker site is still there? Yeah, it's kind of weird. Pushing downwards, chat. Listen, man, 90 people in here, chat. Let's get to 50 likes. If we get to 50 likes within the next second... No, I'm joking. Within the next, like... Oh, shit, hourly closes soon. If we get to 50 likes within the next 15 minutes, I'll give away a week's free TRLS Academy membership. Which is actually hella valuable. More valuable than a prop. Strawberry Dreams, chat. That's all you guys need to know. Strawberry Dreams. You know what I mean? Some of you will know what I mean. Okay, hourly closing, bearish. Yo, Tom, we actually closed the top. Like, we legitimately just closed the top. The peak top, man. We literally just closed the top, man. Wait, so, Eugene, are you telling me that Mr. West said yes? That's not good. I don't know if I agree with that. To be honest. This is life or death. Is bugger a swear word? Yeah, come on. I don't know, man. Chat. 30 and hourly and 15 and every single time frame just closed bearish. We are still obviously bullish, right? So no sells. Chat, someone was in the Discord earlier trying to sell NQ at like here or some shit, bro. Must be from a top ticker Discord or some shit. Because all I see is bullish market structure, no? Man, them he's bugging a lie. So what we need to see now from gold, chat, is we need to see like a liquidity grab from down below. If we could tap back into 52 here and get like a nice little bullish close on like the 5.15, something like that, that's going to be the L position. Maybe if you could sweep the lows and reject as well, that might be even nicer. Either way, chat, there's so much potential. So much potential, man. Widowerly. Yo, Dominus has been grinding in the Discord chat for 5 hours, bro. Bro's in there back testing or some shit. 5 hours in the sesh. In the Shubs chat. Grinding away. Bro's gonna be profitable by the end of today. Guaranteed. I mean, no, he already is actually. He's passed like what, 3 funds in the last couple of weeks. Dubs. Chat, I think it might be time to make a milli though. How's everyone's week been? Like I said earlier, are you guys in profit? I wonder why you don't reply on Discord with like 200 messages. Bro, my Discord is cooked. I have 8 billion messages a day. W week, nice. Up 1.2%. When I pass my fund on Apex, do I have to cancel the old account? No. If you paid the activation fee, it will cancel it for you, bro. You don't have to worry about that. Yo, who was in Tom's stream this morning? I swear there was like 30 people in there. Apparently, it was super valuable. But from what I heard, a lot of people were fading the trade. Most probably going to join the academy tomorrow, so it has to be a W week. Hey, let's go, bro. Good shit, mighty meat. I was. Nice. Did you trade Forex too? Yeah, I used to. I mean, I still trade Forex on my live account, right? But not as much. Yeah, Forex is where I originated. But obviously, like, chat, you know, with like, if you guys have played video games, you'll know, whenever the new meta comes out, you have to adjust to it and you have to move towards what the new meta is. Unfortunately, futures is the new meta in trading. Futures props are the new meta. It's like, I don't know, if they buff a new gun on Warzone or if there's like a crazy card on FIFA, you just have to use it. What's good, Kick? Wagwan today's setup? I don't know, man. We're waiting here. 2-hour close bullish above, which is good, but kind of big top wick. I do want to see some liquidity coming. We've got comics open in 15 minutes. Comics open should bring you the volume, to be honest, though. Would you have took the 30-minute sky dollar earlier or 1 hour breakout? On gold? What did I take? I took this, I think. I took a 1 hour wick entry after the breakout this morning from here. I literally caught the bottom of the wick because it was actually a retest of... Oh wait, am I tripping? Was it a little bit higher up? Was it this wick entry? Yeah, sorry, my bad. It was this wick entry here. So after this 30 closed above, because I didn't see this one, I don't think. It retested this previous high, jumped in, and I had my stops below... Bloody hell, not all the way down there. Stops below this low here. And I had my TP. Why is it just on the mega TP? TP, I actually closed full like here. Like right, I actually caught the bottom to the top, which was kind of crazy. But there you go. For a nice little one-to-one chat. What's better to do if you fail the eval? Cancel and get another, or pay reset? Cancel, bro. Always cancel and pay another, because an Apex evaluation is like $30 right now with 80% off. And a reset's like $50, so... And they do the exact same thing, right? Oh, I've got hiccups. But yeah, that's what I caught earlier. There was a sky dweller earlier? Right here? Or where? You could have taken any of these, to be honest. Buys all day have been pretty nice. I'm not going to lie, I slept kind of late today, chat. I'm sure Tom would have been going... My SG's sleeping. But nah, yeah, I slept in today. I was up super late last night, recording a raw video for you guys that's coming out at 6 o'clock today UK time. That's right. Or no, Cyprus time. That's right. Smooth ass promo into the YouTube video that's going to be coming out tonight. Make sure you're there. Make sure you watch it. W plug. It's going to be a banger. Nah, it's actually sick. Chat, wait, let me show you the thumbnail for today's vid. Don't even chat to me ever again, mate, after you see this one. Don't tell me this chat isn't going to go dummy. Do you have to put a code in?
Code TROS.
Great impression. That actually was a good impression of Tom. I stand by that. Wait, I swear I had this flipping photo. Chat, it's been a good week, man. It's been a good week. Hopefully you guys have stayed disciplined this week. Remember, when I ask you if it's been a W or it's been a W week or a losing week or whatever, the most important thing to think about is, did you stick to your plan? Did you stay disciplined? If so, chat, that's the only thing that really matters, man. If you stay disciplined and stuck to your plan, no matter what happened, if you're down for the week, you're break even, you're positive, it all becomes a W week, right? If you stuck to your plan, that's the most important thing. Meow, 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 meow. Chat, how many? I can't even say that. I had to stop myself there. Well, I hate the new Photos app on the iPhone, chat. It's actually terrible. It's so bad. I just want to see like all my photos in one place. How long is it? 80%? I'm not sure, to be honest, G. Chat, look at this. This is a thumbnail for tonight's vid. Well, it's actually not even the thumbnail. It's a screenshot from the video. Oh, it's well overexposed. Let me put that on Do Not Disturb first. Can't tell me that doesn't look cold, chat. You can't tell me that doesn't look cold. Any lower time frame closures that validated the wick entry? I was looking at not really a lower time frame closure, to be honest, Keelan. I was looking at the lower time frame retest because it retested this 5. My entry was right here, right? Like literally right here, I believe. Yeah, because you can see like the hourly came straight down on the 12 o'clock open. It retested this previous high here to the left on the 5 minute, which is also now a support that we're respecting again. And yeah, and then I took it from there, stops here. I TP'd at $200 because I wanted to farm the $200 days, and that's it. Did you take a trade? Yeah, off stream though, because it was earlier. But we are forming a nice support here. I'm actually going to leave that level here because that is a support that has just been made, which is quite nice, which we are now bouncing off of. Bouncing on it crazy style, chat. Also got a 30-minute level here now. This gets interesting. Will you signal your trades? You know what? I'm not going to signal them, right? I'm going to say, like, I'm looking for this, or I'm going to take an entry if this happens. And I'll let you guys do it yourself, because I want you guys to learn. I don't want you guys to, like, signal bot me. I used to do signals, and that was basically how the group started, but realistically I've realized they're not beneficial to your guys' trading, you know. But I will put in my trade ideas. I don't know if I'm gonna put, yeah, no, I'll try and put as many as I possibly can. Do you trade NQ? Rarely. I look at it every now and again, but you know what, I trade NQ on a Vals sometimes just because it's got so much volume. You can just easily, I don't know, go through it like that. Ever tried devil's lettuce? No comment. What's good, Mark? What's good, Chris? How's it going as well? No comment? That means no comment. So chat, a closure back above these highs here on the 30 could be really nice as well. Only problem is the hourly closed bearish. Currently hourly didn't even really make a bottom wick, which is kind of annoying. It's going to be an interesting one. Definitely interested to see what happens here, chat. If we do run up today, where would you run up to? That's the question, because I have literally no idea. It could just go to infinity and beyond, right? You've got some psychological levels. You've got like 4270, 4275. Yeah, exactly, Danny. 4280, 4290, 4300. Bear in mind, chat, we haven't even fucking started New York session yet. Comex Open hasn't even opened. It's absolutely ridiculous, right? Does this continue to run forever? Who knows? Who knows, man? Chat, what about Rasclap? To the moon? It could go to the moon. I feel like we need more liquidity before that, though. I feel like we're going to make an extended push downwards first and then actually make the actual move to the upside. Unless there's something that comes in as a catalyst, like Trump just goes, yo, by the way, it wouldn't be a bad time to buy some gold right now. And then everyone's like, oh shit, what's going on? And then he just sends like 8,000 nukes over the sea or something, some shit like that. Chat, you guys seen the shit that they've added to food? I don't know if this is true right now, but I saw a like a photo someone took of a sandwich in the UK, and it had like a carbon score on it, and it said like this will be using up 8.1% of your carbon score. It's gonna be good. Why are the startup fees so high on Apex? Do you have to pay a fee? No, you have to use a code on Apex, G. Like, they price it in. So use code TRLS, you'll get it way cheaper. 15-minute cities before you know it? Bro. Low key, it was this. I don't know if this is true or if it's AI or some shit. I don't think it is. I also don't know what Raynors is, right? Eating this uses 8.1% of your daily dietary carbon allowance. Carbon allowances, you know. Sorry, you can't fly to go and see your grandparents today because you've exceeded your carbon score. Sorry, you can't drive to work today. You need to walk because you've exceeded your carbon score. Meanwhile, all these guys are going to be flying private everywhere. Bro, this is cooked. That's actually kind of low-key scary, though. I'm not really a conspiracy theorist, chat, but that is... I actually am low-key, but... Alright, we're pushing up here, chat. So the 15 just closed, by the way. Closed bullish, which is good. 30-minute could close above. If it does, and you get a bottom wick, that could be nice as well. Comics open in 5 minutes. Do you believe that humans landed on the moon? I don't even know what to say. So I'm gonna go with I don't know. Nah, realistically, it seems quite improbable. Damn, it really did just hit my BE by 3 pips. Oh, Dale, that's tough, man. But so be it, man. You did the right decision. You managed risk. It's just unfortunate. Yeah, chat. Honestly, buys today look great. We need to see some more volume, though. It's barely moving right now. Let me go get a drink real quick. I'll be back in 1 sec. Yo, chat. Chat, real talk, yeah. Should I get an iced out necklace or bracelet or some shit just for banter? Might just turn up and like, I might get like a TRLS mega chain, right? Like the rapper chains. BL and NQ we go again. Tough. Did it rip down? Oh yeah, it did. Holy. Bring it back before SG comes back. You're a little bit late on that one, I can't lie. What's good, Zulu? Hell nah. I don't know, man. Could be quite cool. Chat, we're rejecting it. Hocus pocus. Why am I on spot? That's ridiculous. Yeah, we're rejecting though. Holy. Did you buy a Supra? I don't really want a Supra. Buy a Mark F chain iced out. Let's ask ChatGPT to generate a TRLS iced out chain and we'll see what it looks like. Generate me an image of an iced out wrapper chain Cuban link with a big pendant saying TRLS. We'll see what it does. How is your supercar? Is it coming soon? Nah, I've got some other stuff to do first, man. I got some other investments and shit to make. I'm gonna be smart with my money. Wrapper chain first. I'm joking. Pushing down. Very, very interesting, chat. Starting to consolidate here. Comics open right now, by the way. Like 30 seconds ago. Hopefully Comics open brings in the vol. Short for volume, chat. I'm just using slang. Oh, 30 and the 15 are very conflicting right now. 15 has no top wick. 30 has no bottom wick. So which one's going to flip first is essentially the question. Oh, come on, son. Generate me this wrapper chain. Can you tell us what's a calc? I've never heard of calc, bro. What is that? Is that like slang or something? Oh, chat. Surely that goes dummy. Nah, actually, bro. Tom, I know you're watching this. Tell me that's not cold. Just a fat TRLS chain right here. Bro, low-key, that's hard as fuck. I don't even like wrapper chains, but with TRLS on it, I think it goes a little bit different. Right, get it ordered. Loading a Temu order as we speak. I was about to say, find me China's finest moissanite dealer. Get him on the phone now, because I'm no way I'm spending money on actual diamonds like that. First of all, because I couldn't afford a $500,000 chain. Second of all, why would I even want to do that? That's retarded. Anyone who does that is actually genuinely retarded. Oh, we're ripping down, chat. 2 hour flipped here. Hourly reflipped. This looks kind of bearish. Kind of bearish. Oh, chat. Let's just get this on the chart. It's just a little bit of motivation to the side. That's actually low-key cold. We'll just leave that there, I reckon. That'll be quarter of a mil, please. Put generate it around my neck. Alright, nice. We'll see what happens with that. Oh, nah. It wants me to upload a photo of myself. No way. You gotta use that chain for thumbnails? Where did it go? Oh, low-key chat. Oh, hey, Tom. Chat, does anyone know how the fuck to order shit like that from China? Because I want one. I'm actually going to get like a moissanite fake-ass chain of this. I don't even care. 3-minute Bart Simpson? Not the 3-minute Bart Simpson. I don't even have the 3-minute on the chart. We'll look at the 1 minute. Oh, chat. We might be seeing a Bart Simpson pattern here, you know. Low-key, we actually might. Look. Chat, it's the Bart Simpson. Holy. Funny thing is, chat, every time we see the Bart Simpson, it actually plays out. It's kind of hilarious. There he is. Bloody hell. Chat, could this be liquidity though? That's the real question. Just leave that on screen. That's hard. Printing an entry for us? Yeah, I mean, chat, if this rejects now, and you get some form of like bullish structure being made, I'm going to delete this. This is also distracting me. Like, we are retesting. What did I say, chat, about a retest into 52? I said exactly that. We need the retest into 52, and we're getting it now. So if we can get that and then maybe get some form of like confirmation in terms of, what would that be? I would say that would be like a nice little bullish closure. And we should be good to go. What's NQ doing? Wait, so NQ's ripping down at the same time as gold, or what? That is so weird. Why are they correlated? Why are they correlated? Why are you running? Nah, chat, low-key though, make sure you go and watch tonight's YouTube video when it comes out at 4 PM UK time. It's gonna be a stinker. It's gonna be so good. Wait, why can't I see it? I'll give you guys a little sneak peek. Sneakiest peekiest. Tell me that doesn't go dummy, chat. That goes hard, no? The background, the city, holy. Done you a favor and uploaded your face into every dodgy AI app? Cold, thank you, Will. I appreciate that, man. Get it on Sora AI. Have you played with Sora? No, fuck that. Though I will admit the HS ones are fucking hilarious. Yeah, the HS ones are funny, like you have to admit. And his arrest? Bro, there's like a full Prison Break series with HS. It's ridiculous. Chat, we're tapping into the bottom of the level and rejecting here. It's kind of interesting. What is going to happen right now? Is this where we start to reject from? It could be, you know. Actually could be. Because now you've tapped the bottom of the level. I mean, to be fair, the 5 minute is making bearish structure, which is kind of difficult. Love how our generation got handed the most advanced and powerful technology, and this is how we use it. Nah, bro, there's definitely some crazy shit going on behind the scenes. Check Discord. Alright. I got you. That's insane. First of all, that's crazy. Oh! Not the GT3 TRLS. Cold. That is actually fire. Chat, one day I'm going to have one of them. Mine is way better. Okay. Yeah, you actually might have got it, to be fair. It's quite artistic. Chat, 30-minute closes as well in like a minute's time. A minute and 20 seconds. It's going to be quite an important close for the 30. I think it might be time for $1 million. Unironically, I think it might be time. Need more yellow? I'm not sure about yellow, you know. It's probably my least favorite color. For the Bart Simpson though, yeah. Chat, you guys have been killing it recently in the Discord, apart from Eugene. Hella information in here, low key. Bro, Eugene, did that trade hit for 771, what is that, quintillion? Hopefully that shit hit, bro. That'd be crazy. Oh my days, chat, we're ripping back up here. 30-minute opening though with a top wick first. Pull up the clip of that guy saying you won't make it out of 2025. Yeah, we're gonna punch him in the mouth in 2026. No, I'm just joking. Whoever that guy is, there's no hard feelings. I'm sure he's just clickbaiting. And I'm pretty sure he doesn't trade either. Because if I spent all day making reaction videos to traders on TikTok, I wouldn't really get much done either. Yeah, bro, about to be a quintillionaire? Fire. Allegedly? Yeah, allegedly. Thank you, Jay. Jay's like the counsel on this. My client meant allegedly. If this 15 closes bullish, I'm in off the next bottom wick first. We'll see, man. Hourly bullish close could be good as well, chat. Oh my days, chat. The volume right now is mad. Actually, insane volume right now. But do we continue up here, chat? That's the real question. Took a wick entry off the 15. Nice. Hopefully it plays out, bro. Chat, imagine we just run to the absolute moon right now. Hourly flipped, right? 2 hour flipped. This is actually insane. Or is this just liquidity? Because we're technically still bearish on the 5 minute. Something you need to keep in mind, chat. When's NYSE? You got an hour till NYSE, you know. Yeah, Tom, that's clean, bro. If you got the wick entry, you might be able to hold that forever. Maybe not forever, but for a while. 2 hour, 4 hour. 2 hour looks good here. I honestly don't know where like a valid TP would be. Tapping back into the level here, chat. Hmm. 30 was bad. Yeah, it's kind of sad that it came up without a top wick. 5 closing in 1 minute. If it closes above, chat, it's going to go to literally Valhalla. Like, legitimately Valhalla. Volume is mad? Yeah, it's actually crazy, bro. It's like a late comics push, I think. That's what I would classify it as. Chat, let's get to 50 likes on the stream right now, man. Means a lot. Alright, let's fucking sit up and lock it in then, man, because this could be good. Holy push, chat. We're literally ripping it up. So it's just tapped back into the previous high here. Started to reject a little bit. I wonder what that... okay, 5 minute... Nice, log me out. Good. It's always good, chat. It's always good when Tradeify or Tradeivate logs you out. 90 pip move in like, what, a couple of seconds? That 1 minute candle's crazy, no? This might just run forever, chat. Holy shit. We need it to wait for us, though. We need it to wait for us. If this 5 closes above, I feel like it's going to absolutely run. I told you, chat. What did I say about the liquidity tapping into 52 here? What did I say? I literally said we need to tap into 52 and then a bullish close. We didn't get a bottom wick on this 5, unfortunately. And to be fair, with the way the 30 closed, I probably wouldn't have taken that anyway. But still, chat, nonetheless, what did I say? 52 was the level. Maybe we take like a 15 close above or something like that, and that's our entry. Previous 5 minute no bottom wick? Yeah, I know. It's kind of ugly. Maybe New York will come for the wick fill? Maybe. All right, chat. 5 closing here in 2 minutes. If we can close above the level, get a bottom wick, we could potentially have an entry. I think I'd rather wait for like a 15. You could wait for the hourly, but I genuinely think the hourly might just be absolutely gone by the time we wait for that. So I don't know, chat. Let's see. That silence sounds like someone entered. No, bro. My one of my employees was texting me. I wish I'd entered, bro. But as you can see, I'm not in a position here. I fucking wish. These two are locked out, and then yeah. I wish, man. But I wouldn't do a sneaky entry without you guys, chat. How many reels do I need to watch per day, SG? Bro, you need to get like at least probably what? 200-300 scrolls in a day to meet your quota? Oh my days, chat. Is the 5 flipping? The 5 just did flip. Holy shit. That is a monster rejection. Don't you trade them in TradingView? Not the top steps. You can't on top step. The Apex ones, yeah. Speaking of, actually, let me get my copy trader up. Chat. Oh my days. Is the 30 going to flip? Nah, the 30 actually might flip, you know. That is insane. Unless this is like a mega liquidity grab. Oh my days. That is crazy, chat. It's come and got everybody who FOMO'd in. Literally everyone who FOMO'd in. Staying out the market today until at least 30 minutes after NY. That's not a bad shout. Give me that liquidity. Gold just said, yo, I know you all just FOMO'd in. Give me your bread now. Give me all of your bread. Give me the money. Show me the money. That is jokes. Sniped it. The sells, or you sniped the bottom wick buys? Actually, no, you sniped the buys, right? Clearest liquidity sweep I've ever seen. Gee. No, chat, no one can say they called that. I mean, it looks good to become buys out BE. Yeah, I was going to say, bro. This is an aggressive push. Holy chat. And that right there is the #1 reason you don't FOMO into a position, right? That's the reason we wait for the setup. 5 didn't close above. If this 5 closed above, we might have been in there, right? But again, there was no setup, so I didn't take it. I didn't FOMO in like off the break of the high. Impulse entry, whatever the fuck that is. We wait. Still could be a high low. I'm not saying this comes down forever now, but you definitely would have got stopped out. Like, yeah, I agree. I don't think this is like, oh my God, we're going to do the mega reversal to $1,000 an ounce on gold. But that was ridiculous. My trade still would have hit BE no matter what, exactly. Someone just tweeted saying US will probably have 50 BPS rate cut. Who tweeted that though? Because that's very important. Wait, if it has a 50 BPS rate cut, isn't that like ridiculously bullish for the dollar and bearish for gold, no? Or am I tripping? Or is it the other way around? Yeah, man, I'm done for the day. This PA is wild. Yeah, trust me, bro. Keelan, good shit, man. It's a good idea to call it low key. Chat, this 5's flipping. This 5's actually flipping, you know. That is... that is genuinely insane. Honestly crazy. If we flip now, surely you run through the highs. Other way around? Okay, so it'd be bullish for gold. Okay. Oh, man, shit's wild. Yeah, it's crazy. This is actually insane. So we swept the highs, swept the lows. Bullish for stocks? Okay. I'm putting the house on it. Crazy work. Did news come out? Nah, apparently there was a tweet or something, but NQ's going crazy right now. NQ's absolutely ripping up. Tom's buys would have hit TP, but I think he might have got BE'd first. 15 closing bullish. Not bullish. 15 closing soon. Is it going to close bullish or bearish? Is what I was going to ask. 800 up on the 50k of alpha today. Done trading. Good shit, Tom. That's a smart idea, bro. Leave it for the day. What's good, Joshua? How's it going, man? Chat, that might be one of the craziest candles I've seen in a while. I can't recall a candle that's that crazy. How big is this? 250 pips, man. Chat, let's get to 50 likes on the stream, man. 10 likes off. I really appreciate it. As I said, first of all, we have the TRLS Academy launching, which is just actually launched. Yeah, it's $74 a month right now. You get daily live streams from me. You get my full course, all for $74 a month, which is so crazy value for money. It's ridiculous. And obviously, also, I've got another YouTube video coming out tonight, chat. Another raw video, another raw conversation with you guys. It's based on thinking big in trading, or essentially not thinking small in trading. I think a lot of you guys will need to see it. Cut out sugar today? Good shout. Sugar's terrible for you. Chat, I feel like anything could happen right now. Excuse me, how big is this? Hey. Hey. Chat, 10 mil right now. 10 mil right now, you know what I mean? Up 100% this week. Bro's risking the house on every trade. Bro's putting the mortgage on the line. I mean, GG's, but you've got to be over risking for that, my bro. Tommy, have you been getting slops off bare jerseys? What's this? When your barber needs to cut the top of your hair? What is this slander? Oh, yeah. That is actually true. Tom literally just fucking like rubbed himself against me. Pause. Pause. Chat, do we make a run for all-time highs now or what? Took along from 40.66 on Monday and let it run to 4,200. W, that's huge. Big position. Chat. Chat. Oh, chat, this PA is whack, man. Just give me a good setup for once, please. Please, Mr. Gold. Oh, close back into the range on the 1 minute, chat. Is it going to do it on the 5? 15 flipped. 30 minute nearly flipping. Hourly, similar story. What is going to happen, chat? That's your mating call? You don't want to hear my mating call, mate. It just sounds like order filled. And then they'll just come flocking. It's mad. By they, I mean all of you guys. Oh my days. Why do you only trade gold and not the other stuff? I like gold. It's very technical. It respects my levels. It plays very well with the strategy. Oh, and outside of that, I just like trading one pair because I can actually solely focus on it. I don't have a rush to get any positions or anything. So, yeah, man. I just think it's better to trade one. But maybe I'll introduce NQ soon. W Indian accent. I'm Indian, by the way. W, bro. When do you plan on getting a payout? Right now. Let me just take one right now. Nah, I don't know, bro. I don't really set goals like that. Whenever it happens, right? I'm just trading these accounts up. At the minute, I have enough profit on my top steps to grab a payout, right? Like, they're like a band in profit right now. Across 4 accounts. But I need to get like a certain amount of $200 days. You have to get 5 winning days, I think, right? I have only 2. So I'm just gonna risk like $200, get 1-to-1s for the rest of the week, and maybe next week, obviously. Get those $200 days locked in, and then that'll be it, you know. Saying position film when finishing, instant divorce, crazy.
Yo.
Oh,
Oh.
here he is.
Well, I managed to close both of them positions. I closed gold right at the top, and I closed NQ sort of at the top.
Hey Tom, XXXXX.
So guys,
I think Anil's got a thing for you.
if you faded me on the NQ, looks like I came out victorious on that one.
Yeah, beat him up. I would honestly, if they faded my positions in the stream and when that hit TP for you, I would have literally gone into the chat and just like
Just cussed everyone out.
just sparked everyone out.
Yeah.
I would have been taking down names as well of who did it. Oh, Tom, let me hang my coat up on them. See, you did your mating call and he spawned in half dressed. Exactly, bro. It works well. That's what I'm saying. Chat, this looks decent, man. Maybe like a nice little 15 ski closed skis. Bullish. Sky Dweller. Magnum Zipper. Oh. Tom, stay there. Nearly done is crazy work, by the way. 50 BPS rate cut. Why don't they just like... Why don't they just not say the rates and then just drop them? Why do they have to tease it first? That emoji's banned on TikTok now. We can't be using that one. What's good, GG? What's good? I don't think I hated on you earlier, Tom, right? Am I part of the list? Oh, I don't know who's on Tom's list, to be honest, but I wouldn't want to be on his list because he's got two separate lists, right? He's got the list of people that have been to his island. Like he's got an island in the Caribbean, right? I don't know. I don't really know what it's about. He doesn't really talk about it much. He's got that list, and then the people who faded him. So I wouldn't really want to be on either of those lists. I'll ask him when he comes back in what the island's about, because I'm not sure. Got a feeling there's more downside for some reason. The gold gods are screaming. Maybe. I feel like we've just grabbed like the mega liquids though. But then again, you also grabbed the highs too. So yeah, it could do anything here. This what? Oh, English. Reboot into English mode, please. This is what makes this very difficult, is that it's taking liquidity now from both sides. So in reality, it could go either way. You could make a milli, you could make no millis. You could lose millies, chat. What I've learned today is that Tom is an island boy. I think there are island boys on his island, but I don't think he's one of them. Right, that's got to be defamation at that point. How much does the earth cost? I'm gonna buy the earth and become king. Oh, good old position marker doing its. I meant those two singers. I know, bro. I was just making a joke about Epstein, to be honest. To anyone who's just joined the stream, apologies. Yeah, the position marker is doing its job, man. And let's see what the 30 closed. I mean, the hourly closes in 7 minutes here alongside the 30. SG, what contract size do you? Sam, I've been trying so hard to get into the Discord. I can't for some reason. Discord.gg/TRLS. It should work, I think. Wait, why is that different now? unless, did we lose? Oh, we lost. That's why. Wait. Oh. All right, wait. Let me send you a link for now. I lost the boost, man. Okay. Good. Chat, we're pushing back up here. It's kind of interesting. Five closed really bullish back into the level. Current 5 made a bottom wick and now closed also back into the level here. Hourly closes in 5 minutes. 15 skis buys? Maybe, chat. Maybe. We'll see. I'll be back in 5 minutes. Oh, no. I'll be back in a minute. Oh! Oh! $1 million, please. Right now. Give me $1 million right this second. Serious. Otherwise, I'm going to get really, really angry, man. Chat, how am I meant to buy the rapper chain if I don't have a milli? Like, how does that make any sense? Can we close above the level? Chat, if we close below the level, I think I might be done because this is just cooked at that point. At that point, I'm going to have to wait for another 30, and then I'm going to have to wait for another milli, then I'm going to have to wait for... Oh, loads of shit, man. It's going to be annoying. Yeah, we're pushing back down, chat. 2 minutes here to the closure. Oh my days. Yeah, this is mad. It's actually made a lower high now, chat. It's made a lower high and now a lower low. So we might be coming down again. And I'm not taking sales, chat. You know me. I think this genuinely looks like it could rip a lot further down. Chat, by the way, we're 6 likes off 50 likes. Make sure you drop a like on the stream if you haven't already. Whoa. Did anyone get caught in that move, chat? Did anyone get caught in that move? Move it, schmove it. You know what I mean? Dale, sorry, I forgot to answer your question, bro. Yeah, between like 3 to 8 cons on a PA on a 50k, yeah. On a Nival, it'll be like between 1 and 2 minis. But again, it all just depends, right? I think this is cooked, chat. I actually would argue very strongly that this is cooked. Oh, you know what time it might be. You guys know what time it might be. I want to go hit the biggest chest day anyone's ever hit, ever. Oh, you've got 20 seconds. Can you close back above, chat? I lost the house? No. I'm in sales from 42.70. Didn't even tap that blood clot number, did it? Just put the Geo in the bag. We'll give it 10 seconds, see if it decides to do the monster magic close. Just put the Geo in the bag, man, honestly. Put the Geo guesser in the bag. No, close below. Very nice, chat. Very nice. Fuck's sake. Geo guesser time, chat. Unfortunately, what's the game plan for later? I don't really have one, I can't lie. If it starts to make bullish structure, maybe you get like a 30 close above here, or yeah, 30 close back above here would be okay. Wouldn't be too bad. But to be honest, I would want to see like 30 close, bottom wick, flip skis. It's going to take a while to set up, right? And I don't want to sit on stream whilst it's doing all that nonsense. All those shenanigans, right? Imagine this is just where it rips up from. It's just like, yeah, peak. Sorry, boys. I'm actually going to make a generational run right now. My bad. I know you guys wanted to get set up and everything, but I'm just going to not set up and I'm going to give you the most generational run you've ever seen in your life. How about that? Oh, yeah, okay, gold, safe. Cheers, thanks for that. Chat, by the way, join the TRLS Academy if you haven't already, right? Literally, slots are filling up super fast. I honestly think we've probably got like 8 slots left from today. Until the price rises. I'm going to be streaming there in the Discord as well. Or not as well. Only there from now onwards. So make sure you pull up to that. You also get access to the full course, which is kind of crazy, right? How many slots remain? I think like 8, something like that. Oh my days, chat, is it just ripping? Yeah, actually, it's just ripping. Cool. That's pretty sick, actually. Yeah, pretty cool. If you ask me, that's pretty sick. Is this gold making a generational run right now? Or is this just a retracement? Like another liquidity grab to push down. It's either one or the other, right? It has to be. But yeah, either way, this is chopped. It closed below. Top wig first. Price action's flipping. Holy shit, chat. It's actually ridiculous. There we go, chat. Look, all right. Let's jump in the Geo. Let's start it up. I'm going to go hit the gym. You guys training today? If so, what are you training? I'm going to hit a chest day. I think me, Tom, and... a nice little chest day. Oh. Right arm. Oh, you got right today. Fair. Yeah. I'll be training left tomorrow, to be honest. Uh-oh. Fuck, I couldn't click quick enough. I literally couldn't find it quick enough. Oh, not Daddy SG in first again. We can't let this happen, chat. I can't let you get close. Elite reference. Mud hurts. Train shoulders, but was a weak one. Kind of disappointed. A weak session's better than no session, my friend. I feel like this has to be like Peru. Somewhere like this. Bolivia. Yeah, good. Okay. Oh, chat, I'm getting smoked here, man. I'll admit, I'm getting smoked. Oh. 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 We're gonna go somewhere here. I'm gonna split the difference, chat. Split diff. Limited slip differential. Yes. Yes. I'll take it. Climbing back up in the ranks. I'm gonna secure this first place, chat. Don't you worry. Oh, go on, son. Nope. Ah. Is it not Qatar or something like that? I just completely lost all sense of, like, just where I was on the map. Okay, yeah, I'll just get it 43 kilometers away. I'll just cook. Don't worry. I'll just take first place. One round left. It's fine. Don't worry. Chat, don't worry about it, man. Honestly, it'll be okay. Where is this? Where is this? Yeah, I'm not sure why there was a Communist Party thing there. I'll take a second. Malenko's taking it in last place. What the helly? But why was there a communist thing there? That's kind of ridiculous. Anyway, chat. So is life. Yeah, PA is absolute whack central right now. Like, legitimately whack central. So look, what could a setup be? I don't know, man. Learn Chinese and figure it out in Asian session or some shit like that. No, I'm joking. Closure above here is pretty much the only thing we have left, right? See, chat. All right, look. It gets very difficult here. You got liquidity from both directions. I would want a closure above to cement the bullish structure, and then something to actually show us that we've grabbed liquidity from below, and then a push up, right? So basically a breakout with a bottom wick. Very simple. But chat, listen, that's going to be it from me. Join the TRLS Academy if you haven't already. Other than that, peace out. Much love. See you in the next one, chat. Bye.